Welcome to EcoNili Battery, where we're rewriting the story of lithium-ion battery treatment. Imagine a world where end-of-life batteries don't harm our planet. At EcoNili, we're turning that vision into reality. Our mission is to reclaim valuable materials, minimize waste, and protect the environment. But it's more than that. We aim to significantly impact global battery and solar panel recycling rates. When recycling batteries and solar panels, we recover valuable materials such as lithium, cobalt, nickel, and manganese. These metals can be reused in the production of new batteries and other industrial applications. In 2023, we unveiled the Perak plant, a fully licensed Critical Metals Resource Recovery Center, CMRRC, in Malaysia, completed in just 11 months. This powerhouse can process 24,000 metric tons of batteries annually. Inside, hydrometallurgical treatment transforms 12,000 metric tons of black mass into precious materials like lithium carbonate and mixed hydroxide precipitate, MHP. Our strategic initiatives are supported by a global distribution network. We collaborate with partners worldwide, creating a comprehensive system for collecting black mass and end-of-life lithium-ion batteries. Our commitment sets a new standard for innovative business practices in lithium-ion battery recycling. EcoNili's presence in Perak and its strategic international locations will drive local development and economic growth while emphasizing safety and environmental responsibility. Every battery we recycle is a step towards a cleaner planet. Our mission is to be part of a closed-loop lithium battery system and offer the best battery treatment solutions not only for Malaysia, but for the world. EcoNili Battery, closed-loop battery recycling services.